In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor for WordPress. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning, professional websites without needing to know how to code. Whether you're building a site from scratch or looking to enhance an existing one, Elementor can make your job a whole lot easier. Let's dive into getting it set up. First, make sure you have a WordPress website up and running. You'll need this as Elementor is a WordPress plugin. If your website is already set up, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is usually accessible by adding wp-admin to the end of your website's URL. Once you're logged in, you should see your WordPress admin panel. Now, we're headed over to the Plugins section. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, locate Plugins and hover over it, then click Add New. This is where you'll find and install Elementor. In the search bar found on this page, type Elementor. After a moment, you'll see a list of search results. The one you want is simply called Elementor Page Builder, developed by Elementor.com. It's typically the first result. Once you've located it, you'll see a button labeled Install Now. Click on that and wait a few moments while the plugin downloads and installs. This process can take a minute or so, depending on your internet connection. Patience is key here. Once the installation is completed, you'll see a new button that says Activate. Click on Activate. This will enable Elementor on your WordPress site. After activation, you'll notice a new menu option on the left side of your WordPress dashboard labeled Elementor. This is your hub for creating and managing your designs. To get a feel for Elementor, let's create a simple page. Head over to the Pages section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click Add New. This will open up the WordPress page editor. Here, give your page a title, something descriptive of what you're crafting. And when you're ready to build, click the blue button that says Edit with Elementor. This will bring you into Elementor's visual editor, where you can add sections, drag in elements, and customize to your heart's content. For those new to Elementor, take some time to explore the interface. You'll find a wide range of widgets on the left sidebar that you can drag onto your page, such as text boxes, images, buttons, and more. Each element is fully customizable with options for fonts, colors, sizes, and spacing. Spend a little time getting used to these controls. They're your keys to unlocking Elementor's full potential. Remember, building a website is as much about the journey as the destination. Experiment, and let your creativity flow. And there you have it, you've successfully installed Elementor on your WordPress site and started your design journey.